What if I delete 100 channels? What if I delete 100 videos from my YouTube channel? Will it help my YouTube channel grow, or will it help destroy my YouTube channel? I'm terrified. My YouTube channel is beautiful and it's broken, and I'm going to fix it right now in real time in front of you. I'm going to delete, remove or unlist 100 videos. I've got to do it. I've got to do it. We're going to find out if this is the way to niche your YouTube channel. Hello, I'm Neil Mossey. I'm a development producer helping high achieving creators and performers just like you to get ideas out of your head and onto YouTube to make the world happier. If you've ever wondered what is it like to have to niche your channel, this is going to either be the way to do it or the way to very much not do this. And it started off with this video here. I made one video and that one YouTube video got 200,000 views, but it was on completely the wrong channel. It wasn't on this channel, it was on another channel, one that I didn't want to grow. So then I went out and I made lots and lots of YouTube videos. How-tos, reviews, clips from old VHS tapes, vlogs, unboxings, reaction videos, travel videos. I made them all. And guess what? I got monetized. It wasn't much, I was only earning £1 or £2 a day, but actual YouTube cash was coming into me. Into me? That's not right. But actual hard cash was coming from YouTube to me, and I loved it. I went out and I made more videos, how-tos, reviews, clips from old VHS tapes, vlogs, unboxings, reaction videos, travel videos. I made even more. And do you know what happened to me? Yep, I got demonetized along with absolutely everybody else who didn't have 1,000 subscribers. YouTube took it away from me. Google AdSense? No, you don't get any Google AdSense because you don't have 1,000 subscribers. I got kicked out by YouTube. My videos are still out there, but no money was coming into me. So do you know what I did? I went out and I made more videos, how-tos, reviews, clips from old VHS tapes, vlogs, unboxings, reaction videos, travel videos. Then I got monetized. I got the 1,000 subscribers. I got 4,000 hours of watch time in 1 year. It was March 2020, right here on this channel. I've made a whole video about it. It's on screen now and in the description, but I did it. I got monetized, and then I got 2,000 subscribers, and that only took me 6 months. I have got a really big problem with my channel. It cannot grow. It can only just sort of climb up in the way that it is, which I'm very happy for, I'm very grateful for, but I know that my channel is a complete mess. I've got videos like how to fix a Dyson battery or how to fix a toilet seat, and these videos do really well on search. Thousands and thousands of viewers are coming in and watching these videos. But I don't care about any of them. I only did it to get the subscribers and the views and the watch time. I want to make videos like how to launch a brand new second YouTube channel, how I structure and write story, or how I take the text from my YouTube videos to publish ebooks. These are the videos that I actually want to make, and I absolutely know that they will not get as many views as my other videos. It's all sort of interconnected. When a viewer comes in for one video, they just might be more likely to watch another video, and I've got a funny feeling that's going to tell the YouTube algorithm that my videos are okay. Let me show you my ranking here on socialblade.com. Socialblade reckons that I have 317 uploads, so that's 317 videos which are public. I'm going to reduce that number to 216 videos. I don't know if I should be doing this. Last month I got 32,000 unique views. The average views per viewer is 1.2, so that 1.2 is the figure that I absolutely must increase. And the way I'm going to do it is by removing an obscene number of my videos. These are my YouTube analytics, and I know that if you have under 1,000 subscribers, you're looking at this right now going, what are you doing? Why aren't you happy that you're getting $251 every month? These are my top videos. This is the part of the analytics I want to look at, because I don't want garden tools, videos to be in my top 10. Now I can go into YouTube Studio onto the videos tab and start unlisting 100 videos. And if you take your cursor over to date and click on dates, it turns that arrow upside down and it now lists my videos from the dawn of time. But here's the first public one, Where Baby Powder Goes. I love this video. It's a video of my son doing something incredibly wrong and bad with baby powder to his little sister, and I don't care if that does damage to my channel because I'm really proud of it as part of my channel's history. This, however, probably not so proud of. It's just a shot of Waterloo Station. I think when you start a YouTube channel, or when I started a YouTube channel, I would point the camera away from me and I'd just film bits. Now, these bits are still on my channel. I don't want it to be seen by anyone because those 8 views are not going to lead to more views on my channel. So this video's got to go. Click on the visibility sign and we just make that unlisted. That is video number 1. This is where the music and the montage happens. If you want to see the rest of this video, the link is in the description and all of my videos are there, so thanks for taking a look.